Ahmedabad se London ja rahi, Air India flight AI-171, ka tragic crash surf 60 seconds main. 12 June 2025 ko, Ahmedabad airport se takeoff ke kaval kuch seconds baad, Boeing 787 Dreamliner crash ho gaya. Plane na medical college hostel ko hit kiya. On board do sao bayalis log, do sao iktalis mount, ex-survivor. Preliminary investigation main engine failure per focus high, dono engine main low thrust that are emergency backup. Ram air turbine, Yani rat, deploy hui. Black box, our cockpit voice recorder, we recover kaya gaya hain. Seat Gyara Apar Baitha ek British Indian passenger, Vishwash Kumar Ramesh, is incident main baknewala akela survivor ba. Unhone bataya ki, mujhe laga mai mar jonga. Pradhan Mantri Modi, Grih Mantri Amit Shah our Civil Aviation Minister, ne site visit Kia. Boeing Dreamliners, ki puri tara se inspections be order hui hai. Ye the Ahmedabad crash ki brief ka hai. Comments main batao, aapko kya lagta hai, iski asli wajah kya hai. Channel ko subscribe karo, our short share karo.